Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am coming through giving you Ronnie realness, okay? Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Do y'all know where Ronnie is from? Because if not, you're too young to be on here. Go ahead, get out here. Go ahead about your business. We don't want nothing to do with you. Let me say, no, get it, stay. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, I am back with a 613 4x4 bob from NadulaHair. So I'm coming on through. I wanted to show you guys what the unit looked like fresh out. Okay, I'm going to shut my mouth, show you guys what I did to get her ready. We toned this unit. We used L'Oreal and Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, the purple one. And that kind of takes the yellow out of the hair. So I'm going to shut my mouth, okay, give you guys the deets. You'll see the deets of this unit moving forward. And then you guys can get an idea of what we're working with. And I'll see you on the other side.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hello, you beautiful mother jumpers. I am back with another one from the NadulaHair. Okay, so I am coming through with a 613 bob. Y'all know I haven't done a 613 wig in a minute. With another one from NadulaHair, okay? I'm super excited about this one. She is a 14-inch bob. I've already gotten her together. I toned her with purple shampoo from Tresemme. I used a purple conditioner just to get that yellowy straw look off of the 613 wig, okay? She's really, really beautiful. She's a 4x4 lace, okay? I'm gonna darken it up as well using our Ibn lace spray. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Okay, I am going to show you what NadulaHair so graciously provided us with. Now, she's a 14-inch bob. She's going for just about $153 on Nadula.com. So check them out, okay? But let me show you the goodies that we got. We got a wig cap. This is a bag from NadulaHair, which I absolutely am obsessed with, like a shopping bag, okay? We have a wrap band, which I cannot get enough of these. This is for your edges. And more goodies, okay? So she came with the clips, all right, that we love oh so much. A scarf, another cap, and lashes. So Ibn lace tint. I'm wearing Kiss press on nails also, guys. Ibn lace tint. I have her medium dark brown. If you guys are ever looking for products from Ibn, shop online. I have a code for you guys. It's Intisar10. Make sure you shop with that code, okay? And then I get a little bit of a perk as well because you guys are shopping with them. So let's go on ahead and darken up this lace first. I'm a little nervous about this. I'm a little nervous. So I'm gonna do shorts first. Just so I can get like an idea first. Real short burst. You see that? Short burst. I really don't want to kind of like darken up the hair a bit, but I do want to darken up the lace. A little bit nervous about this. I haven't done a 613 wig in a minute. Like a minute. But I'm glad we went in and kind of prepared her before we did this, because I also didn't want that straw look either, because that bothers the shit out of me. So let's just see what she's working with. Well, she is white. Oh, she gonna be a vibe though. Look at this. You see this? Cut that out. Just cut it out. Are y'all ready for what's about to go down right now? Like, are you even prepared? Okay. I might wear this to dinner tonight. Am I giving storm? Is that happening for y'all? Okay, let me get this together, y'all. Let me get this together. I'm gonna shut my mouth. Let me do this real quick and I'm gonna see you on the other side. am I not giving Ronnie from the Players Club right motherfucking now? Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how I got this 613 wig together. Toned her using my Tresemme shampoo and my L'Oreal conditioner, the purple shampoo and conditioner. This unit is from NadulaHair. She's currently going for just about $153. I'm really into this unit. She's a lot different than what I'm used to doing regularly. Like, I've been kind of stepping away from like the super blonde look, okay? Because I'm such a brown girl and I like really natural looks or whatever the case may be. But I thought it might be fun to give a little Players Club, love, sex, and magic, or whatever the case may be. Let me set myself up so y'all can get a full view of what I'm giving y'all right motherfucking now, okay? Okay, so now that she's done, guys, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling very Players Club realness. Like, what's up, new booty? I'm sitting up here in a bodysuit, giving thigh meat, booty meat, and it feels nice. It feels nice. I'm really into this. Like, I think that I did have to go in and give her a little bit of layer. Just a little bit. I think that this unit is really pretty. Let me turn around for you guys so you can see the only drawback. Can you see the drawback? Y'all see this up here? What's that about, y'all? What is that about? Like, I don't know where we're going with that one or whatever the case may be, but I'm not really inspired. I'm not really inspired. I find that, like, you know, for a unit, this unit is currently going for $153 on NadulaHair. They're running an awesome sale, I think. So you guys, they're running an awesome sale. You guys definitely need to check them out. This unit is on there for just a $153. She's currently 14, well, she is 14 inches, what I have on right now. And I think this unit is really cute. I'm probably going to go back later and probably dye her like a red or, ooh, or maybe even a ginger, depending on how I'm feeling or whatever the case may be. But I'm really into her overall. The thickness is really, really nice. I love the texture of the hair, okay? The lace is really nice as well. She's giving scalp, skibbity, skibbity scalp, okay? But I'm really into this. Although I'm giving Ronnie realness. Yes, new booty. Come on, we out here to get all the paper from these mother jumpers, because I'm not about to be out here smelling shoes all goddamn day. First of all, I done gave y'all like 4 quotes in one. Y'all not even ready for me though. Y'all not even ready. So let me know. Ooh. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this one. I think she's really, really freaking cute. I love this little outfit. I think that all the way together, she came together. She's giving super blonde. Okay? All right? But I kind of am feeling it. NadulaHair really did the one with this one. The only thing I do not like, I probably would have got this in a 13x4 lace instead of a 4x4. I know that they're making it this way, but I would prefer, because it's blonde hair, to have the ear-to-ear lace. And then you have the ability to kind of get her together all the way. You know what I mean? Here, you want to make sure that you're like, you have her pulled all the way up and your hair is slicked back. Make sure you use your Ibn, okay? I'll leave my affiliate code for my Ibn, for the Ibn New York below, okay? But other than that, I think this unit is fire. Like absolutely fire. Before you guys ask, my earrings are from Amazon, I think. So I'll leave that link below as well. But this is super duper cute. What do you guys think? I'm about to go make a couple dollars. Ooh. I cannot dance. Oh my God. No judgment, ho. But still, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.